What's up, guys? My name is Amanda Mshengu, and I am your host for today. Welcome to a special episode celebrating a remarkable conservation milestone. Today, we'll dive into the incredible efforts of African parks in rewilding 2,000 captive-bred southern white rhinos. This September, African parks took a monumental step for rhino conservation. They became the custodians of 2,000 captive-bred southern white rhinos with one clear objective: to rewild these majestic creatures to safe, well-managed, protected areas across Africa over the next decade. But why is rewilding rhinos so crucial? It's not just about saving a single species. It's about preserving our planet's biodiversity. These rhinos are vital components of the ecosystems they inhabit, and their conservation ensures the health and balance of these environments. To shed more light on this, you can turn to Peter Fernhead, the CEO of African Parks, who has shared insights on the importance of conservation, what it takes to manage a program like this, and the ecosystems within them in a recent news article that you can read on Tourism News Africa under Conservation and Sustainability in Industry News. As we wrap up this episode, we're reminded that conservation is a shared responsibility. African Park's commitment to rewilding these 2,000 rhinos is not just a milestone. It's a testament to our dedication to protect and preserve our natural world. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Trending Travel Talk. If you found today's discussion insightful, please like and subscribe. Share your thoughts with us in the comment section or by connecting with us on LinkedIn for the latest updates. Have a topic you'd like to cover? Email us at news@tourismnewsafrica.com. I'll repeat that again, news@tourismnewsafrica.com. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, stay informed, stay inspired, and know that you are appreciated.